welcome to I think this is the fourth video for the sketching, modeling, and texturing series for a crab. Alright, so in this one, we are going to finish up our eyes, and we're also going to add a little top hat for it. We might do some, what do you call it, some sculpting, maybe to like fix up some of the arms, but we'll see. All right. Either way, it's not bad. Let's go to the body here. Press tab, edit mode, and we are gonna create the eyes somewhere here. So let's add actually some more loop cuts so we can make the geometry fairly consistent, and that way when we're UV unwrapping, nothing's really stretched out. All right. Okay, not bad. All right, then we are going to create the eye right about here. So let's go to edge mode, get this edge, delete it, edges, see? But we're gonna make it like we see here. So front is on. Make them go up. All right. So then we go to versi mode, select all these vertices, and then put right click, loop tools, circle. Make the circle a little smaller, but take proportional editing off. Let's see. E S like that. Yes, that's good. Okay. That's not bad. And continue S, and now let's extrude up. But before you extrude up, press 3, so you're on the side. Okay, E, R, S, then extrude up, C if you like, then keep on going, S, and keep going. All right, that shouldn't be too bad. All right, and then we are gonna create, press 3, create the front side. Well, we're not gonna create the front side, sorry. We are gonna create the little holes here. So with all this selected, make sure X-ray mode before you select it. We are gonna press E. Oh, sorry. Press E up. Expand out like this. Then E, S, E, S, nice, S a little bit more, that's not too bad. Okay, and let's just keep going. Kind of looks like Mr. Krabs' eye, but don't worry about it. And then E, S, and then one last extrusion, M, at center, and then put this down here, and that's not bad. All right. So to add the eyes, we're just gonna do something simple here. Select all of this before we continue. Press O. Right, like that, and we're gonna make these a little Make sure you add an extra loop cut here, bring it down so that there's the distinction of the change in shape. Press that, G down. Alright, that looks good. And now we are going to go to face mode. Oh, that looks weird. No, actually, that's not bad. We're just going to add tab object mode. See? We're just going to add Shift A, mesh, round cube, and again, radius is 1. Then make it go smaller, go up, like that. Take the X-ray off. Go up, S is a little smaller like that. Make it a little smaller. Right. Then we're gonna S, X, like that, and then X, Y, and then S, C. And then rotate it back like this, right? And then rotate it on the y-axis. Yeah, okay, and that's good. And we are gonna Shift D. Oh, sorry, Shift D on X. Put it like that, and then R. And that is a good eye. All right, not bad. So now we got our eyes. Add a modifier to this to make it a little nicer. So subdivision 1 and subdivision as well. This should already have a subdivision. Okay, 1 is good enough. All right. Oh, I forgot. All right. Click each part and shade smooth. So it looks a little nicer. Crab legs, shade smooth. All right, I thought this looked a little nicer. Okay, and now we're gonna finish up with our little top hat. So, what can we do? Shift A. We're still in object mode, so it's good. Do a cylinder, and we are going to do a triangle fan, and sides are enough. All right, so make it smaller, like this. Go down, SC, like that. It's not bad. Okay. And then tab edit mode, press 1. We're gonna go right here. Make sure you're on vertex. Select that. And we are going to delete that. Yeah, vertices. All right. And then we're gonna go to 1. Go ahead and take the legs and the eyes out. We're going to rename that in a minute. All right. Then go to X-ray mode. We're going to E, S, and then 1. And we're going to extrude up. All right, that's good. Then extrude, see, then extrude, C, S, then extrude extrude, see, S, then extrude, S, then extrude, S, then extrude, S, then extrude, S, G, C, down, then extrude one last time, M, and add center. And then go down right there, so it lines up. And then we're gonna add an extra loop here, so it all kind of has the same kind of squares all around. All right, press tab, object mode, get out of X-ray mode, and we're gonna add a modifier, subdivision 1. It doesn't look bad. And we're also gonna add selected, tab, edit mode, an extra few loops so that the edges don't dissipate. So Control R, like that. Shift, Control R, all right, like that. Okay, it's not terrible. Now, that is pretty good for the top hat. Go back to object mode and shade smooth, and then turn everything on. Oh, okay. Left eye, right eye, and the top hat. Okay. Head, body, and top hat goes, we can all leave that there, it's fine. So now we have our crab with a little top hat, as you can see. And we're gonna move on to making seams so we can better create UV on wraps for this and then render. But yeah, that's about it. Let's say you do wanna make some fixes, or you think, hey, you need some fixes like this right here. You can go to sculpt mode. Oh, make sure that before you go to sculpt mode, select the piece you want to change, tab edit, and sculpt mode, right? Then go here, draw. See? And so you can make changes there, like that. What we actually want to do is grab or maybe add some like curvature to this. Just really depends on you, to be honest. Sharp. Nice. All right, so now we have like a kind of deformed claw here. Well, a little even more so than the other one. And we can do that to all the other parts, and that'll give us some variety in the shape and make it more, I guess, realistic, but we're not really going for that, so don't worry. All right, so there's that option, and you can take your time and tinker with this as much as you want. That is entirely up to you. All right, so until next time, and hope this helps.